How to download Alight Motion on PC. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna look how we can download Alight Motion on our PC very easily. So let's begin with the video. But before beginning with the video, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So first thing first, open up a browser in your PC, laptop, or desktop, whatever. After that, you need to search for Alight Motion on your Google. So just type in Alight Motion, and there I want you to download the Alight Motion from its official website. You can see this Alight Motion Pro APK 5.0 under alightmotion.com. So what I want you to do is just tap on that link. After tapping on that link, wait for it to be loaded, and when you scroll down a bit, you should be able to see the download option. Just tap on download. You can see this download now option. Just tap on the screen download now option, and that application should be downloaded into your laptop very easily. So just follow the steps, and you can look up also further features on this link about what kind of application it is, its quality and features, and just like that it will be downloaded onto a device. So therefore, in this way you can download Alight Motion into a device. So thank you for watching this video.